Hello students. Rayat Shikshan Samstha has started a new project named ROSE project which stand for Rayat Online School Education. As we all know, the whole world is suffering because of this COVID pandemic. Students have become the main target of the same as they are deprived of knowledge. The lectures cannot be conducted live, but our Samstha has come up with this idea so that the students would be benefited. Not in person, but we teachers will be connected with you all through this project. Teachers will conduct your lectures. After we publish the video, we will be sending you a Google form via link, which will consist of easy but important questions. This will help us evaluate your performance and you can upgrade your knowledge about the lesson. The main point is that you can watch this video at your convenient time and post that solve the questions as soon as possible. Said that, let me first introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Sadhana Patil from Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara. I will be taking up a few of your English lessons. To begin with, today we will learn about our textbook, nature, design, and syllabus. Let's begin with the introduction and importance of English. In today's global world, the importance of English cannot be denied. The ignored since English is the most common language spoken universally. With the help of emerging technology, English has been playing the main role in several sectors including medicine, engineering and education, etc. English is a vital language for all kind of professional and personal goals. Knowledge of English is necessary if one wants to come up in life. It is the major window of the modern world. Gandhiji said, live as if you were to die tomorrow and learn as if you were to live forever. Enjoy living in the moment, but remember that learning English will prepare you for the future. There are many points which can be discussed in the topic. I have selected a few below. English is a global language. English is the most commonly spoken language in the world. One out of five people can speak or at least understand English. It helps us with confidence. Knowing English increases your chances of getting a good job in a multinational company within your home country or of finding work abroad. English can help you have a conversation with people from all over the world. English is the language of the media industry. If you speak English, you won't need to rely on translations and subtitles anymore to enjoy your favorite books, songs, films, and TV shows. English is one of the most important languages for business. My dear students, English is considered to be one of the most important business languages due to being the important language of the United States and the official business language of the UK, Canada, India, and South Africa. English gives you access to multiple cultures. Good knowledge of English will allow you to access films, music, and literature from hundreds of countries around the globe. Not to mention the fact that numerous books from across the world are translated into English. My dear students, let's begin with nature of textbook. Let's learn about the nature of textbook. My first point is journey till date. Our textbook has come a long way, right from Bala Bharati to Kumar Bharati and now Yuvak Bharati. Then what is the design of textbook? The new textbook is specially designed for students to learn new skills and develop their own personality. It has been made with a view to enable students to learn the language pleasurably and inculcate in them values inherent in the text. It also offers scope for us to reinvent ourselves. Then what is the motto of textbook? Motto behind our new textbook is not to give students fish to eat. Instead, teach them fishing so that they can learn and gain knowledge for lifetime. Students, you have to struggle with the text, analyze, interpret on your own. So, what is the role of a teacher? We teachers are here to guide you, motivate you, just like facilitators, to help you all in the process of learning so that you arrive at the answers. Result is important, but what is more important is how you arrive or how you get the answers. My dear students, let's turn towards objectives of teaching English. Out of many, I have enlisted a few objectives below to enable the students to develop his or her language skills to a fair degree of proficiency. Next objective is to acquire communication skills in English useful in real life. To enrich his or her vocabulary is important objective. To help students develop reference skills and inculcate self-study habits. Also, to use the English language not only as a library language but also as a means of lifelong education. Lastly, to cultivate a broad human and cultural outlook. Let's begin with specification of textbook. My first point is activities, which is the main point. The main highlight of a textbook is that there are many activities designed for students to enrich you all with a new learning. Second one is author oblique poet introduction. This is also very important point. One special feature is that before every lesson, you will get a brief introduction of the author or poet so that you can know about the famous people, which will help in gaining light on the content that you will study. Next point is icebreakers. Icebreakers at the beginning of the text will help lead in smooth learning of the text. It will help test your previous knowledge and create interest, curiosity, and excitement of the topic. This textbook is activity based learning. My dear student, this point is very important. Because of new pattern of activity based learning, there is a lot of scope for discussion and sharing of experiences, which will be possible through icebreakers, brainstorming activities, and other extension activities. Let's discuss about the section covered in the textbook. Here is a list of sections that are covered in textbook. There are four sections. First one is prose section. Second one is poetry section. Third one is writing skill. And fourth one is novel section. Let's learn about each one in detail. Let's begin with prose section. A wonderful blend of essays, short stories, articles, travel writing, and inspiring biopic too. This section will help inculcate numerous values like wit, humor, love for nature, self esteem, perseverance, determination, and many more. It will help evaluate intrapersonal and interpersonal skills. Use of charts, visuals, diagrams are done to keep the students intact. The pros will start with icebreakers, which includes a few questions related to a general knowledge of the topic. A freshly added section of information of author continues in the line. Along with the lesson, the margins of the textbook cover the meaning of difficult words and a few activities too. This is followed by brainstorming after the lesson, which will enhance your knowledge about the lesson you just learned. I have inserted an image here. There are 8th lesson. See carefully. Let's begin about towards a second section, that is poetry section. An interesting collection of poems are really soulful. Poets from India and abroad having different cultures altogether, which would mold your perception about life and make us realize that life is precious. Fresh addition to learning poetry is summarizing, appreciation, and composition. As we have seen in prose section, this section will also commence with icebreakers, continue by poet's introduction. The poem along with meanings of difficult words in the margin and finally concluded with the brainstorming. Check this image besides. We have 8 poems to learn. My dear student, let's turn towards writing skill. You have studied a few writing skills like email writing and blog writing in 11th standard already. Now, for 12th standard, our textbook has taken up summary writing, note making, mind mapping, drafting virtual messages, and group discussion, etc. Out of all, these only note making is one writing skill which is not taken for evaluation purpose. It is only considered for learning. My dear students, I repeat this point once again. Please listen carefully. Note making is one writing skill which is not taken for evaluation purpose. It is only considered for learning. Yes. Group discussion is a part of speaking skills, but it also helps in deriving questions and answer, which is helpful during interview questions. Writing skills will help students develop their language ability. Blog writing, film review, interview questions are career oriented skills which can help in redefining the career. Hence, writing skills are also for professional help. Virtual messages teach expression in brief. I have inserted an image of the index. Observe it keenly. And lastly, novel section. In this section 4, the students will have a glimpse of novel. It is an interesting mix of plays with student-teacher relationship, prejudice and racism, adventure, excitement, and a mind-blowing detective novel. It will help you all to understand effectively. See this image here. We will learn about introduction of novel in 4.1. I repeat this point once again. We will learn about introduction of novel in 4.1 and in the remaining lesson we will learn novels by different authors. Now, conclusion. To finally conclude, the textbook is a mix of learning, speaking, writing, and reading skills to help you all to gain more and more opportunities in future. The icebreakers introduce the text. The brainstorming enable full comprehension of the text. The margin activities help learning over the questions while learning the text. Activities based Questions foster critical thinking. We teachers are also there to guide your way. In case you have any doubt, please contact to your teacher. So together, let's begin our English journey. This is all for introducing our subject and our textbook to you all. Thank you, student. Thank you very much.